Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to transfer a Notion page to another account. Alright, so let's begin. It's actually quite easy to do, but there are a couple of things to set up first. The very first step is to make sure that you've added the second Notion account you want to transfer the page to. Click the icon in the top left corner, and from there, select Add Another Account to sign in. The second thing is to create a shared group or workspace that includes both accounts. I've already done this. Mine is called Professor Workspace, and I've added my other account to it. Now let's create a page. I'll call it This is a Test. Click on the three dots in the top right corner of the page and select Move to. You'll see your personal spaces, but also the shared workspace. Choose the shared workspace where both accounts are members. I'll choose Professor Workspace HQ. You'll get a warning saying that some content and settings might be broken or lost during duplication, such as links, permissions, relations, and history. Click I understand and proceed to duplicate. Now that the content is duplicated into the shared workspace. Now, switch to your other Notion account. Click on the same workspace, Professor Workspace HQ, inside this second account. You'll see the duplicated page there. For example, This is a Test. Open it, then once again click on the three dots in the top right corner and choose Move to. From the options, now select Private Pages to move it directly into the private space of your second account instead of keeping it in the shared workspace. You'll get the same warning again, just click Move. Once that's complete, the Notion page will now appear in the private section of your other account. And that's it. So that's basically how you can transfer a Notion page to another account. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.